Guys, again in the moderator course, activity number M8. M8 can a bit be confusing. Now, with the moderator course, we told you must do 6 moderations for your summative. So you understand it before the theater will even accept you. They tell you straight up front you had to do at least 6 moderations. Now, 5 will be assessment types. So you will be we've given you 5 different assessment guides of people who's done assessment that you must moderate, and one of them is different, and that is where we come in with activity M8. Now, with activity number M8, they tell you that the training provider had a problem with the instrument, the specific instrument we see. It's a project, not the full assessment guide, just this one instrument. So there they give us the instrument. You can actually download that again from our Dropbox folder. Now, what they ask is they give you a document, a help document, and they ask you a quick moderation report. It's not a full moderation report, but I will call it a quick one. And they ask you to do this, fill in this document, and to actually evaluate this training provider's instrument. So the training providers say now, okay, see it had some problems with this instrument, we fixed it, and the training provider must now show that they fixed it. They fix all the problems on it. So now you as an internal moderator is asked to moderate this document to make sure it meets all the minimum requirements. So this is a very, very nice example. So you guys will have some time to download this document and have a look at it. So I can just give you some tips, from the phone. If I'm looking at this instrument here, and I'm going to page number 2, I can quickly say there's no place for the learner's name. Can you guys see that? There's no even place for the learner's name to write on here. I'll have to go and look some a detailed look here. There's no place for the learner's name on there. There's not even place for the assessor to write on. There's no place for feedback. So just quickly looking at the document, I can see there's quite a lot of mistakes on there. So this document here, you're going to complete. So you're going to submit these 2 documents as your activity M8. I folded basically just in from the other one, and they ask you certain questions, and you can now just go and say again, does this instrument meet the requirements, yes or no? And if you say no, obviously type in your response in here. And again, you can do this totally in PDF on the right hand side. That's now if you open this document on PDF correctly. We use the PDF fill and sign option. Remember, it's free software that you can download from the internet. There I've set fill and sign, so I'm in editing mode, and now I will be able to fill in this document.